Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use Telegram without phone number. You can sign up for a Telegram account without revealing your real phone number by using a fragment anonymous number. This feature allows you to create a private Telegram account connected to a blockchain-based number from Fragments. Just note that Fragments numbers only can be used with Telegram. They cannot receive regular calls or SMS messages. Now, get the ToneKeeper app from the Google Play Store or App Store. Open the ToneKeeper app and create your Tone wallet by following the on-screen instructions. Now, there, go to the Browse tab, then scroll down and select Fragment under NFT section. Then tap Connect Tone and scan the QR code displayed on the Fragment website with your phone. Now on the Fragment, go to the Numbers section and browse place a bid for an anonymous phone number listed for auction. Once the auction is complete and your bid wins, the number will appear in your Fragment account. Now, all you have to do is use that number to sign up for a Telegram account. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed it, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.